Imagine transforming your body energy and confidence with only 20 minutes a day. No gym, no equipment, no excuses. Just your feet hitting the ground and your heartbeat rising with purpose. Running 20 minutes every day is one of the simplest habits with the biggest impact on your health and mindset. It strengthens your heart, boosts blood circulation, and increases your lung capacity, making your entire body work more efficiently. This short daily run also fires up your metabolism, helping you burn calories long after you finish running. It supports weight loss, improves insulin sensitivity, and keeps unwanted fat away in a natural, effortless way. Your mental health gets a massive upgrade too. Running releases endorphins, the feel-good hormones that lift your mood, reduce anxiety, and clear your mind. Many people say their best ideas come while running because it frees the brain from stress and unlocks focus. A consistent 20-minute run sharpens discipline, builds routine, and makes your day more productive. When you start your morning with a run, the rest of the day feels easier because you've already conquered something challenging. Your bones and muscles get stronger with every step. Daily running increases bone density, improves joint strength, and enhances overall endurance. It trains your body to move better, breathe better, and stay active for years. Sleep quality also improves when you run regularly. Your body resets, your mind relaxes, and your internal clock becomes more stable, leading to deeper, more refreshing sleep every night. And the best part, you don't need a track or a fancy setup. Starting small and staying consistent is what matters. Even a slow run counts because every step is pushing you forward. 20 minutes a day is not just exercise. It's a lifestyle shift, a daily promise to yourself, and a commitment to a healthier, happier, stronger version of you. So if you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your friends and subscribe this channel. Also like this video and text in comment box regarding which exercise you want to see next video.